Good morning, my dear children. I am Ms. Divya Rohit for your session today. Please take out your test book, take page number 53. Let us learn today how long is a meter. A meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 meter means 100 centimeters. So what is 1 meter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Let us see a conversation between these two children and a shopkeeper. See, this boy is saying, I want to make a long kurta. What he want to make? He want to make a long kurta. So what the shopkeeper is saying, take 2 meters cloth for your kurta. So this boy don't know how much length of cloth is needed to make a long kurta for him. So by that time when he asked the shopkeeper that I want to make a long kurta, the shopkeeper tells him that he have to take 2 meter cloth for making a kurta for him. Understood? And the shopkeeper measured the cloth. You can see the shopkeeper is measuring the cloth and had given him 2 meter length of cloth for making a kurta. By this time this girl is saying, and how many meters for a long skirt for me? She want to make a skirt for her. And how many meters of cloth she need to make a skirt for her? So what the shopkeeper is replying, he said that you need 3 meters. So for making a long skirt for this girl, she need 3 meters of cloth. Again the shopkeeper took his meter rod and had measured the cloth and given to her. Okay, so this rod is known as the meter rod. Let us make a meter rope. Okay, you must have seen shopkeepers measuring cloth with a meter rod. See, this is a shopkeeper. He is measuring the cloth with a meter rod. When you go to buy some piece of cloth for making this kurta or skirt, you can see the shopkeeper using the measuring rod to measure the cloth, and afterwards only he will cut the cloth according to the length. So this meter rod is always 1 meter of length. How much length? It is of 1 meter length. It may be made of steel, plastic, wood, etc. Okay, so this is called a meter rod. So what is this? This is called a meter rod. Okay, so how to make a meter rope? So let us make a meter rope now. You must have seen shopkeepers measuring cloth with a meter rod. You can see this. This is a meter rod. So we are going to make a meter rod like this, or meter rope, not meter rod. We are going to make a meter rope. Okay. For that, what all things we need? We need a meter rod as well as a rope. For making a meter rope, what we need? We need a meter rod as well as a rope. You can see the rope. They are holding a rope on their hand. Can you see the rope over here? This one is the rope kept on the meter rod. Okay. Use a meter rod and a rope. Second one, make a knot at one end of the knot. So first end, make a knot. Put a knot over here. Tie the rope over there. Make a knot. As you make, how you make knots on ribbon for while tying your hair, making hair plaits, you tie the ribbon. That way you have to make knots on the rope. So first make a knot over here on the rope. Then keep the meter rod with the rope. You can see this is the meter rod, and you have to keep the rope with the meter rod. You can see this is the meter rod, this is the rope. It's kept together. Can you see this is the meter rod, this is the rope. It is kept together. This end up to this is 1 meter long. This meter rod is 1 meter long, and you have already make a knot on the rope here on the starting one. Thus knot is kept exactly here at the end of the meter rod. And at this end of the rope, you have to make another knot. See, here it is, there is a knot. Make another knot. So this knot and this knot should be exactly on this end and this end of the meter rod. Okay, now the length between the two knots is 1 meter. So from here to here, this knot to this knot, the length is how much? 1 meter. So that is your meter rope. So no need of meter rod. Now length between this knot to this knot will be 1 meter. So now you have made a meter rope. Is it? This you have to do at home. Take the help of your parents. Make a meter rope today itself. Okay. If you don't get a meter rod, if you are, sometimes you will not get a meter rod. In most of the houses there will not be a meter rod, or usually this meter rod is used by shopkeepers. Okay, if you are not getting a meter rod, by that time you can use a measuring type you can use. But in this measuring type, it is in one side measurement is given in inches, and on the other side the measurement is given in centimeters. By that time you have to take 100 centimeters on the meter tape to mark 1 meter on the rope, because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Understand? So mark 100 centimeter on the rope. Take the rope, keep the measuring tape on the rope, and at the 100th centimeter you have to mark on the rope. Okay, 100 centimeter you should make a mark on the rope, and you can make a knot at that end on as well as on the starting point. Okay, so 100 centimeter are equal to meter. So you get the meter rope. Now meter rope is ready, is it? Now let us move on to the next activity. Guess and check. Activity 1, you have to guess and check. Find out some things that look 1 meter long. Can you guess some things which are almost 1 meter long? For example, guitar. Guitar is 1 meter long, about 1 meter long. Baseball bats, they are also 1 meter long. And yardstick. Yardstick is almost as same as that of a meter rod. These are all, or these all look like 1 meter long. You can write the answer over there. Here you can write the answer. Okay. Now use your meter rope to find which of these things are more or less than 1 meter. Now already you had made a meter rope, isn't it? With that meter rope you have to measure all these things here. Here given name of the thing. Then you have to find out whether it is more than 1 meter or whether it is less than 1 meter. Let us see. First one is length of the table. So you have usually seen a table, always see a table. It may be tables are in your house, in your school you are very common with the table, is it? So what is the length of the table? Length of the table, is it less than or more than 1 meter? Can you guess? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You can you can have a guess. So length of the table is always usually more than 1 meter. Okay, let us make a tick over here. Then width of the table is less than 1 meter. Usually the width of the table is less than 1 meter. Next, width of the door is also usually less than 1 meter. Length of the door is more than 1 meter. Okay, have you understood? So find out the measurement using the measuring rope that you have made, and find out your measurement. Okay, whether it is more than 1 meter or less than 1 meter. This activity 2 let us do in our next session, so we can wind up the session for today. Thank you.